Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is Rearranging Numbers Part 2. This is the second class on this topic. Dear students, in this part I will solve two questions. First question is C and next question is D. In C, 5 numbers are given: 87, 81, 84, 88 and 82. We have to arrange this number. These numbers are not arranged here. We have to arrange according to their order. Okay, dear students, this is the second question. Question D, rearrange the following numbers. Here 5 numbers given: 95, 93, 98, 94 and 100. We have to arrange these 5 numbers also. Okay, at first we have to solve question C. Okay, dear students, in the previous class I have shown you how can we compare some numbers, which one is smaller, which one is larger, how can we compare, I have shown. Okay, dear students, in the previous class I have shown that 0 is the smallest single digit number or one digit number, then 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4, 4 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 7 and 7 is smaller than 8, 8 is smaller than 9. I have shown this 10 digits. 0 is the smallest and then 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4. In this way I have shown this 10 digits. To arrange this number we have to follow this order. But given numbers are of 2 digits, it means each number contain two digits. When the number will contain 2 or more digits, then we have to indicate the position or the place of each digit. Okay, this is the last digit, this is known as ones place and this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Okay, dear students, to arrange this number we can notice here tens place is always same, that is 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8. In all the 5 numbers, tens place is always same. So we have to compare only ones place. Dear students, you have to remember that if the tens place is same for all the numbers, then we have to compare only ones place. So compare the ones place here. Which digits are given in ones place? Ones place is 7. Ones place is 7. And then ones place is 1. Ones place is 1. Now ones place is 4. Here is 4. Then ones place is 8. Here is ones place. 8 is here. Okay. Then ones place is 2. So we have to identify 2. Dear students, now see the order here. Here 1 is the smallest, then 2, then 4, then 7, then 8. So we have to find out the smallest number by searching this number at first. Where is 1 is in ones place? In 81, 1 is in ones place. So 81 is the smallest one. 81 is the smallest one. Then we have to see 2. Where is 2 in ones place? Here 7. I have done 1, then 4, 8 and 2. Here is 2. So 82 is the next number. And then after 2 we will get which number here? 4. So we have to see 4 is where? Here is 4 in 84. So 84 is the next number. And then 84 we have to see here, what is here? 7. So we have to find out in ones place where is 7. Here is 7 in ones place. So we can write here 87. Okay, dear students, now the last number here ones place is 8 and here is ones place 8, that is 88. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to identify the number which one is smallest, and then you will get the next one larger than first one. In this way you will arrange all the 5 numbers. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question D. To solve question D, here we have to at first indicate the position of the digits of each number. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones, tens, ones, tens. Here is ones, tens, and here is another digit that will be in hundreds place, as this is 100. So we have to say this is hundreds place. Dear students, hundreds place is greater, 100 is always greater than 10. So as here is one more position, so this number is the largest number. So we will not compare this one with this 4 number. Just we have to compare this 4 number at first, as this is the largest. So to compare these 4 numbers, at first we have to see the order again. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, dear students, now see here tens place is always same. Here is tens place 9, 9, 9 and 9. In all these 4 numbers, tens place is 9. So we have to compare only ones place. First, for the first number, ones place is 5. So we have to circle here 5. Now next one, ones place is 3. Here is 3. Now ones place is 8. Here is 8. Now ones place is 4. So we have to circle 4. Now no need to compare this with this number, as this is the largest, as this number contains hundredth place. Okay, now compare these 4 numbers at first. Here which one is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So we have to identify 3 is in ones place for which number, that is 93. So 93 is the smallest number. So we have to write 93 at first. Then next one is 4. So we have to find out in ones place where is 4. In 94 here is 4. So we have to write here 94. The next number, here ones place is 5. Ones place is 5. Where is ones place 5? In 95 ones place is 5. So we can write the next number is 95. And then after 95 here is ones place is 8. Only this one left, for which numbers contain 2 digits. Okay, so 98 is the last number from this, or the largest number from these 4 numbers which contain 2 digits. Okay, now the last number 100, that contains 3 digits. So this is the largest number. So we have to write 100 at last. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Solve this question as your homework. These 2 questions solve as your homework. This is your homework 11. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very important for you, as your CT marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So submit your homework regularly, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.